friends, welcome to my channel. Welcome to JT Tech. Today in another video, guys, I have an amazing and unique WhatsApp trick for you. And guys, in this video I will be showing you how to get more than 10 WhatsApp accounts on your Android device. Guys, in this video today I have a step-by-step trick which I will be showing you today to be able to get more than 10 different WhatsApp accounts on your Android device. So guys, here without wasting much time, let's get started with me. Please, I request you that you watch this video till the end. Make sure you do not skip this video for a better understanding. So guys, the first thing we're going to be doing here, we have to open our Play Store. Just like the way I said earlier, I will be showing you how to get more than 10 different WhatsApp accounts on your mobile device. So guys, once you open your WhatsApp like this, here I will be showing you an application, and the name of this application I will be showing you is Multiple Account. Guys, this application, there are many similar applications like that, but guys, not all this application works accurately, and most of this application you have to pay in order to get access to them. So guys, I have the most free and secured application today for you, for you to get multiple WhatsApp account. So guys, this is the application I will be showing you today, and because this application is working perfectly, more than 10 million users have already downloaded this application. And guys, as you can see, more than 244,000 people have already made good ratings on this application. And guys, not only WhatsApp, you can be able to get Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, and then Twitter and Messenger applications with different accounts. So guys, here you just have to install this application. After you install this application, here you have to go back to your Android. This is how the application look like. This is the icon of the application. So guys, we open it like this. But guys, please, before I show you how to use this application, if you are visiting this channel for the first time, please we request you that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the notification bell so you don't miss any amazing tricks every day on this channel. So guys, as you can see, this is the interface of this application. It is a very simple application, very simple application that you can be able to use to get multiple accounts on your Android device. So guys, in order to get multiple WhatsApp applications, here you have to click on this plus icon like this. So guys, as you can see, you have to make sure that you already have any WhatsApp application irrespective on your phone. So guys, here I have the main WhatsApp app and the business WhatsApp app. So I will be using the main WhatsApp app for the sake of this video. So guys, you click on it like this. So guys, as you can see, it's adding another WhatsApp already. So guys, as you can see, it says adding WhatsApp, and guys, it won't be coming up like this. So guys, here you have to turn off like this. Guys, as you can see, we have two WhatsApp accounts, and then you can be able to add again by clicking on the plus icon like this, and it will be coming up like this. And then you have to repeat the same repeat the same trick by clicking on the WhatsApp. And guys, as you can see, we have another WhatsApp again. So guys, as you can see, it says it may take you some time to clone WhatsApp. So this is an ad will pop up because it is a free application. So guys, as you can see, this is another app that has opened. So let's go back. So guys, already we have 3 WhatsApp applications showing here, and then you can be able to open you can be able to create different accounts with them. So guys, as you can see, again, I am adding another account. Please, I request you that you subscribe if you haven't do so, and don't forget to like. Guys, just like the way I said, not only WhatsApp, you can be able to add even Facebook Lite and the main Facebook application. So for instance, here I click on the Facebook Lite like this. So guys, as you can see, I have my Facebook Lite app it's already adding up. So guys, as you can see, I've already added, and let me add another one again to see if it's gonna work for us. So guys, as you can see, we have another one. Guys, as you can see, it has been added. So here we click on the plus icon again in order to add another one. You can be able to click on the plus icon again in order to add another one. You can be able to add as many as you want. You can be able to add as many as you want, and you can be able to create different accounts with them. So guys, this is how you can be able to use this wonderful and unique application. This is how you can be able to use this application. Please, if you found this video to be helpful, please, I request you once again that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the notification bell so you don't miss any amazing tricks every day on this channel. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on my next video. Bye bye.